Hey guys, this is a quick look unboxing review at the BONROB chisel set. Jeez Louise. If you're serious into some kind of carpentry or hand craftsmanship, this is fantastic. Really intricate. I love how it's like a kit that has everything included. If you need to file away at something, you know, your jail cell, or if you actually do metal or woodwork or whatever you need. Wow, really nice. Very easy to hold. It's like a file or a brush. File. That's a brush. The little ones are awesome for the intricate work. Yeah, so really good deal. Nice little chisel set kit. The handles are nice and grippy rubber. Very nice presentation. Awesome. Highly recommended. Definitely worth checking out if you're into this kind of stuff. It's always good to have one of these.